All right, guys, working on a 2020 800XC with 1,238 miles on the ODO. Today it's gonna get you guessed it, a wheelbarrow. So we're gonna have to get in there and get that tore apart. This has actually been a requested video, so I took the opportunity to do this one so I could do a video for you guys. We're gonna go ahead and remove these 4 lug nuts with a 17mm socket. So we're gonna have to remove the 2 caliper bolts, one on this side with a 15mm socket. Let's go ahead and do that. Got ourselves a nice little parts tray right there. Now this should walk right up off of there. We're going to have to get a 10mm socket and remove these. All right, 10mm. Go ahead and get this line off of here. Now we got to remove this cotter key. Super easy to do. Work it out like so. Gonna need a 29mm. Pull that axle nut. So we're gonna need 15mm socket, 15mm wrench. We're gonna go ahead and loosen up this shock bolt. Maybe. There we go. Now we gotta get the stabilizer bar off. Stabilizer link, gotta get that off of there. All right, so we're gonna pull this arm off of here. I'm using an 1 1/16" on the nut and a 22, on the bolt here. So let's go ahead and get that pulled off. Holy crap, it's not gonna be seized. Hallelujah, CFMOTO. Oh. I'm gonna slide that off. There we go. Now we can work that out of there like so. Wow, did that screw that up. Oh, the bearing race, we're gonna have to try and get that off of there. So we'll try and get that off of there. That is chewed up. We can probably save that arm though. Yeah. All right, let me figure out what I'm gonna do about getting that off. All right, guys, got our brand new bearing. We do carry bearings and tons of CFMOTO parts and accessories on our website. Please check us out, www.rngperformance.net, and we'll probably have what you need over there. But for now, let's get this out of here. All right, go ahead and get this snap ring out of here. Work it around with a pair of flathead. Try and get that side unstuck. Pretty sure that did it. Coming. Coming. There goes that bearing. Now we got to press that race out of there. There it is.
It's pretty cool. That's a lot of hard work if you'd have to do that by yourself, pushing that thing in there. That's awesome. Wow. It's really that's cool.
This dude just paid for itself. Right here.
That thing's cool.
Okay, so the race on the axle that's stuck, we got this bearing puller here, and we chucked it up in the, you know, the press. That's the axle hanging in there. But let's push that out. All right, guys, since we got the race off the axle, we can go ahead and put the axle back in, and it goes back together just the way it came apart. Super easy, so let's get at it. And it goes back together just that easy. Slide the axle in. Whenever you're putting this up in, make sure you put the axle into here, slide it up in, and as you're sliding that in, make sure to put your sway bar link in there. You don't got to tighten it up, but slide the sway bar link through the hole, and then work it in there, and then that bolt goes right through, and away you go. Everything's all tightened up. Can't even tell I had it apart. Well, it's good. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, that subscribe button, leave me a comment down below if this video helped you. Super easy job. Get a little dirty. This dude actually greases his stuff, we found out, because there was grease everywhere, and that's a good thing. So, all right guys, peace out and God bless. We'll see you in the next one.